There we have it. One pointy star picket, ready to go, drive in the ground. Ladies, gentlemen, this is a pretty obvious trick, but I thought I'd share it with you anyway. Have you ever had star pickets you had to cut off? These ones were concreted in up the water tank. I needed to cut them off because they weren't coming out any other way. I want to turn them back into star pickets. So it's a very easy trick. All we do, we get ourselves an angle grinder and we cut a point into them. Makes it easier to drive in. Something like this. There we have it. One pointy star picket, ready to go, drive in the ground. Till next time, ladies, gentlemen, have a great day. See ya.